Hello everybody, today we'll learn what are if and elif and else and how to use them. First, for example, let's make a new file and name it by if and elif and else .py, and now we have saved the file. Let's start working in it. For example, number, let's make a variable so we can understand this variable. So for example, G is equal to 11 and P equals to 4. Okay, A equals to 4. So if means what? If this happened, do this. So we will type if what, we will open a parenthesis and type the rule. G is, or for example, P, that is 4. What happens is what bigger than J. So here we will type, so he will do this. We'll make like this and print. Let's tell him something. P is bigger than G. So if that happens, if P is bigger than G, he will print this. P is bigger than G. See? See? Here. Nothing happened. Why? Because this is wrong, so nothing to do. So what we'll do, we'll change this and see what will happen. So let's change it and like this, and let's say here P and here J, and let's run. See, it had typing for us G is bigger than P. So because that happened, this rule is correct. So it did it, and it did the rules of it. It did the command of it. Okay, let's start now with Elif. Elif, you need to start at the line, and here after each one, if at the end of line it two dots like this. Also Elif and also else. So Elif, what other thing, the opposite of this, that P is bigger than what G. Okay, so we'll tell him print what, and don't forget this, the two dots. Print what, that we will print that P is bigger than G. Okay, and then we will make the else. Else, if no one of these rules happened, what he will do? None of these rules. What he will do? Else means no one of this, not this or not this. So immediately he will go to else rule. What he will do? Maybe they are equal. Print. Maybe they are equal, because bigger than and smaller than and equal. So you will type the two numbers are equal. Okay, and this is the Python file. Let's run it. Which one is correct? So he will run it. So see, G is bigger than P. Okay, let's change the numbers. For example, they are the same number. What will happen? He will print the two numbers are equal. So like this, run, and see. We'll tell the two numbers are equal because no one of this and no one of this. So we'll go to else and make its comment. See, the two numbers are equal. Easy. So let's change that P is bigger than G. Let's make it 10. And he will see that P is bigger than G because that is the correct rule that happened. P is bigger than G. Yes, that's right. So I hope that you had understood. Now let's revise again fast. Here we have the variables that they are equal to numbers, and we give what three things. If P is what smaller than G, so he will print this, and else if el is else, and if is if. P is bigger than G, he will print P is bigger than G. So no one of these happened. You will go to else immediately and make its comment. Print the two numbers are equal. That's all. I think it's easy and you have understood it. Okay, so please subscribe in my channel, like this video, and comment for anything that bad sound quality, any of these. And goodbye.